In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D pop-out effect in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, go to File and choose New to create a new document. Name it 3D pop-out effect and set the document settings as shown in the video, and click Create. Next, drag and drop the mobile image onto the canvas. Now select the pen tool and carefully draw a path around the edges of the mobile phone as shown. Once you're done, choose Make Selection. Keep the default Make Selection settings and click OK. With the selection active, click the Layer Mask button to keep only the mobile visible and hide the rest of the image. Right-click on the mobile image layer and choose Rasterize Layer. Then right-click on the Layer Mask thumbnail and choose Apply Layer Mask. Now, with the pen tool, draw a path around the edges of the mobile screen. Once you're done drawing the path, click Make Selection, keep the default settings, and click OK. With the selection active, press Ctrl and J to copy the selection to a new layer. Rename this layer Mobile Screen. Now drag and drop the train image onto the canvas. Reduce train image layer's opacity to 50% so you can see through it and position it properly over the mobile screen. Now select the Move tool and place the train image nicely over the mobile screen as shown. Once positioned, set the train image layer's opacity back to 100%. Right-click on the mobile screen layer thumbnail and choose Select Pixels. Select the train image layer. Then click the Layer Mask button. Double-click on the train image's layer mask to open Layer Mask Properties. And set Feather to 3 pixels. Press Ctrl and J to duplicate the train image layer. Right-click on the duplicate train image layer's layer mask and choose Delete Layer Mask. Select the Quick Selection tool and use the bracket keys to adjust the cursor size. Make a rough selection of the train as shown. If you make a mistake, press Ctrl and Z to undo, or press Ctrl, Shift and Z to redo. With the selection active, click the Layer Mask button. Now drag and drop the smoke image onto the canvas. Resize it and place it as shown. Hold Ctrl and select all these 5 layers. Then slightly center them on the canvas as shown. Select the background layer and click the New Layer button to add a layer above it. Select the Brush tool. Open the Brush menu and choose the Soft Round Brush. Drag this node downward to adjust the brush shape as shown. Use the bracket keys to adjust brush size. And use left and right arrow keys to rotate the brush. Set the color to black. Make sure this new layer is selected, and brush shadows under the mobile phone as shown. Name this layer Shadow. Set the shadow layer opacity to 90%. Select the background layer again and add a gradient adjustment layer above it. Click the gradient preview to open Gradient Editor. Under Basics, choose Black to Transparent Gradient and click OK. Set the style to radial. Enable Reverse. Set the scale to 150%. And click OK. Select the top layer, then press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and E to create a merged copy of all visible layers. Right-click the merged layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. Now apply the following settings. Set contrast to 25, highlights to 30, temperature 5, and under Optics, set Vignette to -25. Finally, click OK. That's it. You've successfully created a 3D pop-out effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.